If you don't like mornings but still need a pick-me-up, then meet this bird. It doesn't buy a latte or stand in line. It has the weirdest coffee ritual you've ever seen. Every dawn, the bird hops to the patio table like clockwork. It doesn't brew. Some kind human leaves a shallow cup. The bird dips its beak, takes a careful sip, and zooms off as if espresso powered its wings. Scientists call it curiosity. Neighbors call it adorable. Is it addicted? Maybe. Does it actually need caffeine? Probably not. Mostly after the warmth and tiny sugar crystals. Still, for 5 seconds each morning, this tiny bird pretends it's human, and the whole block gets a smile.